Welcome to Crystal Bliss Phonics, where we learn our sounds one step at a time.
Today we are going to learn how to blend three-letter words with the vowel E. So we have B, E, T, bet, E, T, pet, E, T, net, J, E, T, jet, S, E, T, set, W, E, T, wet, B, E, ben, D, E, den, E, hen, E, men, E, pen, T, E, ten, B, E, d, bed, E, d, red, E, d, fed, E, d, led, W, E, d, wed, E, d, med, B, E, g, beg, E, g, leg, E, g, peg, E, g, keg, E, g, meg, E, g, egg. So when you have double consonant, you sound it as one. So you don't sound it twice. You sound it once, just like we have in egg. So we can only sound it as egg. Egg. Great job. You can go through this words again before moving on to the next word. We will take reading practice 3 in this lesson. Before we move on to our reading practice, let me introduce you to some tricky words. The first tricky word for this week is we. W-E, we. W-E, we. The second tricky word is me. M-E, me. M-E, me. The third tricky word for this week is have. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. Now let's move on to our reading practice 3. So we have reading practice 3, 1 to 5. Number 1, he fed the hen. He fed the hen. Number 2, she met me. She met me. Number 3, we have a red pen. We have a red pen. Number 4, he has a pet hen. He has a pet hen. Number 5, my pet is wet. My pet is wet. Number 6, the man has a red jet. The man has a red jet. Number 7, he has a pen in the jet. He has a pen in the jet. Number 8, let me have my pen. Let me have my pen. Number 9, my leg is wet. My leg is wet. Number 10, I have a red bag. I have a red bag. Great job. You can go through the sentences again before moving on to the next one. Number 11. We have 10 red pens. We have 10 red pens. Number 12. The cat sat on the bed. The cat sat on the bed. Number 13. He fed the pet cat. He fed the pet cat. Number 14. I met my pal at the den. I met my pal at the den. Number 15. We have a big red jet. We have a big red jet.
Great job today. Keep practicing your sounds one step at a time. See you in the next lesson.